The cloth brush has 8 different deformation types. I recommend using them for secondary detail and in combination with the smooth brush. You can find them under the deformation drop-down in the brush options. Pinch Perpendicular pinches the geometry towards your brush strokes. It works best with low strength and the line stroke method. Pinch Point pulls the geometry towards a single point. Drag pulls the geometry in the direction of your strokes while creating nice folds. Grab is similar, but deforms the underlying geometry more aggressively. Snake Hook pulls the cloth in more accurately simulated folds, but at the cost of slower performance. Expand stretches the geometry into nice looking wrinkles. Inflate lifts the geometry up, and Push pushes the geometry inwards. Hello, if you're interested in sculpting in Blender, there's actually a very long playlist here on YouTube with a lot more tips. Or if you want, you can just go to the next topic.